Hey, welcome. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options. I've started with $300. If you want to find out where I got using parabolic SAR and Donchian channel indicators for my strategy, watch this video till the end. You'll find out. We're going to start straight away. My name is Oliver. Let's go. So guys, I'm starting today with $300. It's pretty elevated, so we can make some high profit with the dynamic time frames. So let's see. Okay, from here I'm gonna make an option, call option this time. We are expecting the breakthrough of this middle line of the Donchian channel, basically, and you can see that there is a buyer's potential here, and basically the buyer doesn't let the seller prevail here. So let's find out if that's correct and continue. Guys, this is a first payout from this option, 90%, pretty good for the beginning, and let's put towards our next option the entirety of this balance 570, and we continue with that. We'll put this toward the next option so that the next, because it's a percentage payout, so the next profit is going to be even higher. Every time we're going to have a higher profit from each next option. Right, what about this? So after this kind of movement towards a so basically, guys, what I'm expecting here is that the parabolic SAR and the top line, upper top line of the Donchian channel act as a resistance at this point, and we can bounce off those lines, this zone. Let's call it a zone because it's not a clear level, and enter into this pullback where we can profit from. So that's the idea. Let's wait for the result and continue. Here's the profit, guys, 1065. We're gonna put that toward our next option, of course, 1K for the next one. Let's see, we're gonna change the currency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment before I forget to say that. I do sometimes, but you all know that helps a lot to the channel to grow and to know that you're enjoying the videos. Okay, let's go towards the next option, 1K, 1 minute, all in ones, and one upper line, one upper option. So we have a few things here. Basically, we see that the impulse from this impulse from the bulls, kind of maybe a growing trend there. It's on the small time frame. It's a bit difficult, but basically we broke through with a good impulse from the bulls. We broke through the middle line of the Donchian channel, which suggests very nicely suggests that the price is going to continue to grow at this point. Until what point, it's different. So with a small time frame, we can profit from this gap between the resisting zone, which could be the parabolic SAR dotted line, and the top line of the Donchian channel, as well as there is a resistance level there that it can reach, not global but the small ones. Right, so we have profit from this, guys. Luckily, we profited from this option, and we're almost at 2K here. 85% payout from this option. Not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and continue, guys. So here we have. Let's see. Let's see. the next one. By the way, guys, if you're unfamiliar with the indicators, indications, technical analysis, see that situation here, for example, if you don't know what that means and why I'm doing this put option right now, then you definitely need to check out the invitation link that I leave below the video description, in the description, and check out the Telegram group, where you can learn all this stuff, patterns, indications from oscillators and indicators, and building your own strategy based on technical analysis that you can make with this knowledge. It doesn't only apply to the trading with binary options specifically, it does, but it applies to all the trading generally. So yeah, don't forget about this invitation link, check it out. And yeah, let's wait for the result of this option and then we continue. Here is the profit, 3,667, and we have 3.7 towards our next option. We can put, I'm gonna put maybe 3K at this point, just to square it out a bit and minimize the risks in case we have to go back to some. This happens, it's not 100%. You need to be aware of that and go with a cold head, and only invest something you can afford to lose, especially with binary options. Plus a lot of knowledge needed to be done. Let's go with a put option here, because we are reaching the resistance zone based on various factors there. It's a parabolic SAR dotted line and also a middle line of the Donchian channel. Both can act there as a resistance level for us, or resistance zone, let's say. And yeah, it's kind of a correction to check, to try to break maybe this middle line, but in this case I think it won't, so it will continue to go down, at least for a pullback. So this, at least if it's even for a pullback, that works. We can profit from this, because as you can see, MACD right now is showing an indication for the long. So there is a few factors always to look for, not only an indication from MACD at this point. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. Guys, here is the profit from this option. I think we made really nice profit, so I think I'm gonna stop here. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.